DeepSeek just released an AI model that challenges one of the biggest beliefs in AI, that bigger always means better. It is called DeepSeek V4 Flash-0731. It is much smaller than DeepSeek V4 Pro, it is cheaper to use through the API, and it was built to handle demanding coding and AI agent tasks. But here's the surprising part. In DeepSeek's published results, the updated Flash model beat the earlier V4 Pro preview across all 9 coding and agent tests listed with the release. That does not mean Flash has beaten the newer V4 Pro-0813 because DeepSeek did not include that model in this comparison, but it does show that a smaller model can sometimes beat a much larger one when it is improved for the right kind of work. And later in this video, I'm going to show you the biggest gap in the entire benchmark table. Once you see those numbers, you will understand why model size is only one part of the story. You are going to want to stick around for that. I am Paul James, and I show solo operators how to use free AI tools to build real service businesses without the subscription stack dragging them down before they have made their first dollar. If you got value from this already, drop a like and share it with someone who needs it. And if you want the full system I use to turn tools like DeepSeek V4 Flash into actual client income, the daily deposit course is under $30 right now for viewers of this video instead of $197. That pricing is only there for people coming from this video, so grab it while it is showing. It is linked in the description. Drop a comment and let me know if you are heading over to take me up on that. I want to see who is in. So why does this matter to someone building services for clients? Many AI agent platforms make it easy to connect tools, store information, and manage workflows. That convenience can save a lot of setup time, but it can also create another monthly bill. Relevance AI, for example, has a free plan. Its paid pro plan starts at $19 a month, while its team plan starts at $234 a month. Those platforms are not useless, and DeepSeek does not replace everything they provide. They include the visual builder, hosting, storage, connections, and monitoring around the AI model. DeepSeek V4 Flash is the reasoning engine. If you use it directly, you may lower the model cost, but you must build or connect the other pieces yourself. That trade-off is important. You can pay a platform for convenience, or you can build more of the system yourself for greater control. The right choice depends on the client and the project. DeepSeek V4 Flash supports thinking and non-thinking modes. It can call tools, return information in JSON format, and work with software that uses OpenAI style or Anthropic style APIs. Its model weights are also available under the MIT license, which means technical users can download and deploy them on suitable hardware. But open weights do not mean the complete system is free. DeepSeek charges for its hosted API based on token usage. Running the model yourself also requires powerful hardware, storage, electricity, security, and maintenance. The real advantage is not zero cost. It is having more choices and potentially paying much less for the reasoning part of the system. That brings us to the benchmark results. Flash outperformed the earlier V4 Pro preview across all 9 coding and agent benchmarks published with the release. The exact scores are less important than the overall pattern. A much smaller model consistently performed better on the tasks DeepSeek used to measure agent behavior. Think about a company with hundreds of internal documents. Instead of employees searching through files or repeatedly asking managers the same questions, you build a knowledge assistant that searches approved company information and returns the most relevant answer. The client is paying you to organize the information, connect the tools, test the system, and keep it updated. Most people take what I just showed you and try to hand it straight to a client. That is where it falls apart. There is one piece you have to handle first, or the build looks amateur and breaks under real use. I am walking you through that in the next 90 seconds. The piece most people miss is reliability. A real client system still needs error handling, human review, and testing. You should also avoid loading every client document into every conversation. Search the knowledge base first, then send only the relevant information to the model. Here is where this becomes useful for a real service business. A chiropractor may want a website assistant that answers approved questions about opening hours, services, office policies, and appointment availability. Flash could help understand each question and prepare the response. A scheduling tool could handle appointment requests, while unusual or sensitive questions go to the front desk. The assistant should never diagnose a condition or replace a medical professional. It also needs proper privacy and security controls. The client could pay a setup fee and a monthly maintenance fee, while your operating costs would depend on API usage, hosting, integrations, and support. And listen, if you have not already grabbed the daily deposit course at the viewer discount, do that now. It is linked in the description under $30 instead of $197, only for people coming from this video. That course walks you through the exact client onboarding and delivery system I use to turn free tools like DeepSeek V4 Flash into recurring monthly income. Drop a comment and let me know you are grabbing it. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Now picture a law firm that receives more inquiries than its team can quickly review. Every new caller is asked a similar set of intake questions before an attorney can decide what should happen next. You could build an assistant that collects the basic information, organizes the responses, and routes each inquiry using rules approved by the firm. It should not give legal advice or decide whether someone has a valid case. The attorney stays in control. Because that system handles sensitive information, it also needs secure storage, clear access rules, testing, and human review. This is not a one-afternoon build, but it can become a valuable service because you are helping the firm respond faster and organize its intake process. Now let us return to the biggest benchmark gap I promised you. On DeepSeek Flash-0731 scored 54.4. The earlier Flash preview scored only 7.3, while V4 Pro preview scored 12.8. That means the updated Flash scored more than 4 times higher than V4 Pro preview on this particular test. That is a huge difference, but we need to understand what it does and does not prove. It does not prove that Flash is better than every larger model. It also does not prove that one training change caused the entire improvement. DeepSeek tested Flash with its own agent setup, maximum reasoning effort, and specific settings. Its updated training, agent improvements, DSPark feature, tools, and test setup may all have helped. What the result does show is that parameter count is not everything. The way a model is trained, improved, connected to tools, and tested can matter just as much as its size. For a focused workflow, the smaller model may be the smarter choice. Think about lead follow-up for a local plumbing company. The company already has inquiries from its website, ads, or customer system. After confirming those people agreed to be contacted, you could use Flash to sort the leads by service, find the urgent requests, and draft personalized follow-up messages. A separate sending tool handles delivery and opt-outs. A human reviews unusual requests before anything goes out. The plumber is not paying for an AI model. The plumber is paying for a faster and more organized way to respond to people who already asked for help. You might charge for the setup and ongoing management. Your costs would include the API, hosting, messaging tools, monitoring, and your own support time. Because DeepSeek's model pricing is low, those costs may be easier to control, but they do not disappear. Here's the solo operator advantage. You can build a reusable foundation instead of starting from zero for every client. The core system may stay similar, but each client still needs separate data, rules, connections, testing, and security. Your costs will grow as usage grows, but a reusable setup can reduce the time needed to launch each project. That is a much stronger business than simply reselling access to another chatbot. Imagine what your next 30 days could look like with DeepSeek V4 Flash as one part of your client stack. You could build knowledge assistants, administrative chatbots, intake systems, or lead follow-up workflows. The model is not the finished product, it is the engine inside the product. Your value comes from choosing the right tools, connecting the client's information, protecting their data, checking the output, and maintaining the system after it goes live. DeepSeek V4 Flash makes that reasoning engine cheaper and more flexible. And its benchmark results show something important. The biggest model is not automatically the best model for every job. The only question left is which useful service you are building this week. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.